Hello everybody, this is Rolling with J and A. We got a little situation going on right here. Have y'all ever known anybody to use this kind of pen to hold the receiver hook in? Mine's broke going through the mountain. Come loose from the truck. Head into the GlampOut. I had to replace it with that type of pen. That pen with the lock cut here. One of those just like that come loose. This whole piece right here came out from the truck. It took and broke the little door that hold your 7-way pen in. I had to replace that with that one. Also, the balls right here. These balls here were sliding down the road. Look at that ball there. Look at that. Okay, on near ground, half of the ball away, sliding down the road, going down a hill. They messed that up real bad. But that one there, it didn't do so bad. But I got 2 new ones on the way. Also, it messed my jack up. Bust that off. And I lost my snap pad that goes on my jack. Don't know where that got to, but I got new one of them on the way. That got scarred up. I could have did the video while all this will happen, but knowing we was in a curve and get ready to go downhill, it was mandatory to hurry up and get the camper out the road, keep from somebody hitting us coming around that curve. And plus it was pouring down raining, and I had to work real fast to get everything back to going. But once we got it back going, we was good to go. Also, when I was going on down the road a little further, some told me to pull over and walk around and check things out. And I did that. All of a sudden, I heard a little sizzling noise. And I happened to get down and look. This tire right here had a screw in it. Then I had to, still raining, so I had to change this tire and put my spare tire on. We were still on our way to the GlampOut. By the grace of God, we made it. And a couple more things happen, but we'll see it on the next video. But all these parts, they got messed up when the trailer come loose from the truck, is on the way. So we'll be back on the road in a few days. On that note, we out of here. Oh, back again at the GlampOut. My water tank screw broke right there. I had to add some more screws to hold the tank up. and I was putting water in there. All of a sudden, the tank, that bracket just fell on the ground. But soon I get a good dry day, I'm gonna come up under here and add some more screws up under all of the tank to hold them up real good. The hole just had wore out, so I had to add some more screws. Lucky I had some self-tapping screws with me to replace it. So on that note, we out again. I would advise anybody that use this type of lock, stop using it. I advise to stop using this type of key lock. I've been using one on that truck 2 years, but they ain't never had no problem with it until last week. But I will not use another no more, but it will come loose on you. Today I'm replacing my jacks and stuff that got towed up on my way to the GlampOut. Now I got to take the jack off. Chalk that I'm gonna use. Some wood on it up under to keep it from going down in the ground. Now I'm gonna get ready to do the other side. Now I'm gonna take the pressure off the jack. That's one reason why I got to replace it, because it don't all the way want to work now. Just like now, it look like why come up. For some reason it won't even go down no more. That's why I'm gonna replace it. Now it don't want to come down, so I got the hand crank. That's why I'm gonna replace it. About. Got that out. I'm gonna open up the new one. I had to dig my jack out. Hammer. I'm gonna use the new one. Pressure off. Take this off. Put that aside. Notes out. Alright, got that. Taking the hot wire loose from the battery. lifting it up. Now, get ready to put the new jack in. And this, it'll say lift. This in.
A Lippert Power Tongue Jack, brand new. Hello, everyone.
I like putting a wire protector cover over my wire. Gotta keep the sun off it. Let it drying out. Put my zip ties on it. Put our end on the wire. Put nut though. I got my end on. Matter of fact, this one's a little small. I need one a little bigger. Pause the video for a minute and get a bigger end. I put an end on the wire. now so I can hook it up to the battery. Now I get my wrench and tighten it. Make sure everything is tight. Everything tight. Now I can bolt the jack down. Don't have to put no ground on it. It grounds itself to the frame. Get them snug, then I'll come back and tighten. That pretty good tight. And the jack is back working. Now I can put the foot on it. Get the little pin out and locking key. Got that in. Now put that in. Now I can put my snap pad on. This is a snap pad. Make it go on easy. Just put a little dish detergent around it. And just rub it. You just let the jack down. under there. Light work. I can level it back off. Light. Retract. Which I had to put mine all the way down because my yard go downhill. So when I got it all the way down, it's level. Earlier in the video, I was saying I had to replace these spring bars because they got messed up so bad. My new ones have arrived. I'm gonna show y'all my new ones. Get my box cutter. My new spring balls. Replace the old ones. It's the different in it. That's what happens when your trailer come loose from your truck and it slides down the road. Over half of that bar will gone. And now we on to the next reel.